Check out this epic $3 million property that Drone Hypnotics shot here on Tiki Island in Galveston, Texas. If you're looking to get your property shot just like this, reach out to us here at Drone Hypnotics and we'd be happy to help. We're a husband and wife owner-operator team and we cannot wait to shoot your property. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this rare waterfront gem.
Welcome to 1614 Castaway here in beautiful Tiki Island. This statement home is built on 3 lots. It's over 6,700 square feet and it's situated on this deep water canal that's big enough for your yacht. Come check it out. This is not just a home, this is one of Tiki Island's rarest waterfront gems, designed for luxury, scale, and unforgettable living. This is a true statement property set on an oversized waterfront home site along one of the deepest canals in Tiki Island. Designed for elevated entertaining and effortless waterfront living, this home is unlike anything else on the island. Let's step inside. The main living space is grand yet inviting. The walls have been opened up for an open concept filled with natural light and layered with designer finishes throughout. Restoration hardware elements and curated furnishings create a space that feels both sophisticated and livable. The kitchen is a showpiece centered around a 16-foot waterfall quartz island. The main floor offers 2 beautifully appointed bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, perfect for guests. One bedroom features its own private balcony overlooking the pool, the kind of space that invites slow mornings and quiet evenings. And the other feels like a boutique hotel suite, soft, layered textures, elegant lighting, and a stunning canopy bed that instantly sets the tone. You have double laundry areas that make everyday living and hosting feel effortless. There's a hidden pantry tucked seamlessly into the kitchen, a game room designed for connection and fun, and smart wiring throughout for sound and security. Impact windows add a peace of mind with multiple AC units. The entire home stays cool, comfortable, and consistent no matter how many people you have over. It's all the details you don't always see, but you feel every single day. The second floor continues that same elevated experience. Each bedroom is designed as its own private retreat, complete with a sitting area and a beautifully appointed ensuite bathroom. These bedrooms will make a great resting place for the kids. The bathrooms are a standout, finished in marble and accented with restoration hardware fixtures that bring in that clean, elevated, timeless feel. Storage is thoughtfully built in throughout, so everything has its place and the space always feels calm and uncluttered. You'll notice the attention to detail in every space, from the finishes to the flow, along with plenty of storage that makes longer stays feel easy and comfortable. It's private, it's intentional, and every room feels just as special as the next. The outdoor living lifestyle is where this home really comes to life. Over 2,000 square feet of Trex decking on multiple levels, a beautifully designed heated pool and spa, creating a true resort-style setting with an abundance of restoration hardware seating for relaxing or entertaining. There's even a full bathroom downstairs for easy access from the pool, thoughtful, functional, and designed for real living. The mature palms, expansive parking, and seamless indoor-outdoor flow bring it all together, creating a private waterfront retreat that feels like a getaway every single day. Enjoy a drink at the beautiful Capiz Shell Bar. And then there's the water, a deep water canal that can accommodate larger boats, complete with a boat lift, a cement bulkhead, and underwater lighting that sets the tone at night and brings in all the fish. This is your rare opportunity to own one of the most exceptional homes here in Tiki Island, 1614 Castaway. If you would like to schedule your own private tour with me, Cynthia Quarter with the Quarter Team, contact me today. I look forward to seeing you.